if you know who was the Gaon Vilna, is one of the most righteous people in the history of the world, from the day Hashem created Adam until today. You can put him on the top list. Person who his entire life was learning Torah, he knew the whole Torah by heart in reverse. 300,805 letters. He wrote the entire Torah in reverse. We cannot write our telephone number in reverse. But he had a super brilliant brain. From the word Bereshit, we just read Parashat Bereshit on Shabbat. In Bereshit, in the word Bereshit, he will tell you all 613 commandments in the word Bereshit. Ask him one time in Seudat Pidyon HaBen, Kvod Harav, where do you have Pidyon HaBen in the word Bereshit? He say, Ben Rishon Achare 30 Yom Tifde, abbreviation Bereshit. Ben, son, Rishon, first son, after 30 days, redeem. Gotta redeem him from the Kohen, do Pidyon HaBen. His brain was beyond words.